20 Natural Avocado Recipes to Treat Dry and Damaged Hair. Have you ever experienced that frustration, when your hair stays dry and brittle even after using so much of conditioner during the wash? Well, because it's not the right way and the chemicals can damage it further. Dry hair is caused due to any one of the below reasons. 1. Your scalp isn't able to provide enough moisture. Actually, our hair strands cannot produce oils on their own, so they depend on the hair roots. When the scalp fails to retain enough moisture to hydrate the hair roots, it leads to dry hair. 2. Hair shaft unable to hold the moisture. Each strand of hair is shielded by a protective layer called the cuticle, which holds in moisture and keeps the hair hydrated under normal conditions. When this cuticle is stripped off due to environmental factors, the moisture from the hair escapes, leaving it dry. Whatever the reason might be, dry hair can be treated by providing extra care, moisture and hydration. This can be achieved by a simple ingredient like avocado. Is avocado efficient in treating dry and frizzy hair? The monosaturated fatty acids and natural oils in avocado form a protective layer over the hair strands and seal the open cuticles to prevent further moisture loss. The high vitamin A content in avocado helps to ensure adequate sebum production, which prevents hair from drying out. Avocado also contains iron, vitamin E and B7, which naturally repairs dry and damaged hair. Avocado is an excellent source of amino acids. They work as potent antioxidants to shield dry hair from further damage and prevent hair breakage. The amino acids, potassium and magnesium present in avocado work towards ensuring optimal blood flow to the scalp, keeping it hydrated, nourished and healthy. How to use avocado for dry hair. The simplest method of using avocado for dry hair is to directly apply its pulp or oil on the hair and scalp. It can also be used in combination with other natural ingredients as hair masks to hydrate dry and damaged hair. Quick tips: in all the following hair masks, remedies, keep the below points in mind. Use a ripe, medium-sized avocado. While applying the hair masks, make sure you focus more on the tips of your hair, as these tend to be the driest and most damaged parts. Follow up the shampooing with a mild conditioner in case of excessive dryness. 1. Avocado Fruit Hair Mask. Avocado acts as an effective natural conditioner for dry hair. Direct application of avocado pulp as a nourishing mask on hair and scalp works to rejuvenate and moisturize the dry hair. Cut open a ripe avocado into 2 halves. Scoop out the pulp and mash it using a fork or a masher. Dampen your hair with cool water. Smear the mashed pulp all over your hair and scalp. Put on a shower cap so that it doesn't drip. Leave it on for about an hour. Wash off with water, shampoo and condition as usual. Repeat this every alternate day for a fortnight. 2. Avocado Oil. Avocado oil is the simplest and most effective natural remedy to nourish and moisturize dry, damaged and brittle hair. Take a small quantity of avocado oil in a bowl. Apply it to your scalp and hair. Massage gently in circular motions for 3-5 minutes. Tie your hair in a loose ponytail or clip it up and leave it on overnight. Wash off with a mild shampoo in the morning. Repeat the application on alternate days for a month. 3. Avocado DIY Shampoo. A simple way to combat dryness of hair is by making your own homemade avocado shampoo. This can be used instead of the usual shampoos containing harsh chemicals which damage the hair. Chop 1 avocado and blend it into a fine paste. Add 1/4 cup warm distilled water and blend until it attains a uniform consistency. Add 4 teaspoons baking soda to the blended mixture and mix well. Use this paste as a shampoo on damp hair. Massage it on hair and scalp gently for 1-2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Allow hair to air dry. Use it twice a week to cleanse your hair. Note: this homemade avocado shampoo is non-foaming, so it will not work up a rich lather like other chemical shampoos. However, it will be very effective in cleansing and moisturizing dry hair. 4. Avocado and milk. milk is a rich source of vitamins and minerals that works as an excellent natural conditioner and nourish the hair follicles. Take pulp from 1 avocado in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of full-fat milk to it. Apply this mixture to damp hair and scalp. Put on a shower cap and wait for an hour. Wash off with cool water and a mild shampoo. Reapply thrice a week for a month. Note: you can also add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture for better results. 5. Avocado and coconut oil. Coconut oil forms a protective layer around the hair shafts to prevent moisture loss and control the frizz. It also helps to prevent the hair breakage. In a bowl, mash 1 avocado till it is free of lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Once your hair is fully covered with it, wear a shower cap. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse off the mixture with cool water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat procedure twice in a week. 6. Avocado and lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice helps to maintain the pH levels of the scalp and seals the cuticles to prevent moisture loss from the hair shafts. Combine pulp of 1 avocado and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Apply it on damp or dry hair and scalp. Wait for 30–40 minutes. Wash it off with cool water and a mild shampoo. Reapply twice a week for a month. 7. Avocado and mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is rich in oils that deeply condition dry hair, giving soft, smooth and lustrous locks. In a bowl, mix pulp of 1/2 avocado and 1 cup of mayonnaise. Apply the mixture on scalp and hair thoroughly. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash off the mixture, shampoo and condition as usual. Use this hair mask twice a week. 8. Avocado and egg yolk. Lecithin is a protein component of the egg yolk which helps reduce dry and frizzy hair. Fatty acids present in the egg yolk helps to improve the dryness of the scalp. Blend the pulp of 1 avocado with 1 egg yolk till it attains a smooth texture. Apply the paste liberally on damp hair from the roots to the tips. Wrap hair in a bun and cover with a shower cap. Leave it on for 20–25 minutes. Wash off the mixture and shampoo hair thoroughly with cold water. Apply this hair mask once in a week. 9. Avocado, banana and olive oil. Banana is rich in natural oils, potassium, carbohydrates and vitamins which help soften the hair and prevent dryness. Blend 1 ripe banana, 1 ripe avocado and 1 tablespoon of olive oil together. Apply it evenly to damp hair and scalp. Massage it in with circular motions. Wear a shower cap and leave on for 15–20 minutes. Wash off the application, shampoo and condition as usual. Apply once a week for shiny and lustrous hair. 10. Avocado, coconut milk and almond oil hair mask. Nutrient-rich almond oil has high amounts of vitamins, monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids which help to keep the hair nourished and hydrated. In a blender, add pulp of 1 avocado, 2 cups of coconut milk and 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Blend until it turns into a smooth paste. Apply the mask liberally to hair and scalp. Cover hair with a shower cap. Leave the hair mask on for 20–30 minutes. Rinse with water, follow up with shampoo and conditioner. Apply twice a month for best visible results. 11. Avocado, honey and olive oil. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to seal moisture within the hair shaft. This prevents stripping of excessive oils that lead to dryness of hair. Blend 1 chopped avocado, 2 tablespoons honey and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Apply on hair and scalp with your fingers. Wear a shower cap. Blow dry at low heat on the shower cap for about 15 minutes. Or else you can also sit out in the sun for 30–45 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and a mild shampoo. Repeat once a week for best results. Note: you can also add 2–3 drops of lavender essential oil to the ingredients in the blender. 12. Avocado, honey, tea tree oil and argan oil. Tea tree oil is a natural remedy for treating all kinds of scalp problems, from dryness to flakes. Argan oil is an effective natural hair conditioner, rich in beneficial nutrients like fatty acids and vitamin E which help to combat dryness. In a bowl, mash 1 avocado into a pulpy paste. Add 10 drops argan oil, 2 tablespoons honey and 1-3 drops of tea tree oil. Stir until the mixture attains a smooth and creamy texture. Using gloves, apply the mixture directly onto scalp and hair. Massage gently for 1-2 minutes and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, shampoo and condition as usual. Repeat once a week for a month. 13. Avocado, yogurt and jojoba oil. Yogurt has excellent hydrating properties that work in combination with avocado to repair and condition dry and damaged hair. Jojoba oil is packed with vitamin E, B-complex, copper, selenium, chromium, zinc and iodine which are all